Guys, this tutorial is the continuation of built-in string function in Python. In today's video, we will learn what is replace function in Python. I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. So what is replace function? The replace function returns a copy of the string where occurrences of a substring are replaced with another substring. We are just replacing our old string with a new one. Okay. I have one sample string with me. Okay. So if you print, so it will show in the output window, right, as it is. If you're in the program, so you can see Python is a programming language. If you want to replace any specific word, right, okay, if you pick is and you want to replace is with different words, so it can be replaced by replace function. Okay, so let me take result here. I'll be taking this replace function on a string type, right? And if you see the documentation of this replace function, so it is asking for the old, which is saying old string you want to replace, the new substring which would replace the old string, and count, which is optional, the number of times you want to replace the old substring with the new one, right? Okay, so these all three parameters works. And if you replace like is with is a query, right, and you run the program, so this is will be replaced with is a query, right? If you print the result, so you will see is replaced with is a query word, right? And a is as it is. Okay, so this is the purpose of this replace function. It is replacing our old string with new one. This is the only thing, right? Okay, let's say we have this ng, right? This ng word twice, ng and ng. Okay, so it will replace this word with any of the character, right? If you want to put like dollar, right, it will replace if you're in the program. So you see the dollar is replaced on two places. Okay, because ng found on two places, ng and ng, right? So that is how this function works. We have one more scenario where this replace function checks case sensitiveness. Okay, so for example, let me copy the same code again, and instead of ng in lower, I want to make ng in upper. Okay, so it will not replace, right, ng, because ng in upper cases will not found in this string, so it will not replace anything. Okay, you see the string is as it is. Okay, you see the string is as it is not change because ng not found. Replace function take care this case sensitiveness. Okay, now let's see what is this count meaning, right? Let me make ng in lower. Okay, now what I want to just say, okay, just to replace on one occurrence only, right, not two, right? Ng is found on two places, right? So it will only replaced this place, right, this place, because it will find first occurrence if you're in the program. So you see the dollar is just replaced here only, right, not here. Okay, if I put two occurrences means it will found ng on two places and it will replaced on both places, right? If you're in the program again, so you will see the dollar is updated on two places. Okay, wherever ng is found. If I put ng again here, so it will not replace NGY, right? It is as it is, right? Because occurrences are two only, right? It will found first two occurrences, right? First two occurrences, right? If you put ng somewhere here, right? So it will be replaced first, right? So dollar will be replaced here, right? But it will not update here. Okay? Only two occurrences. First two occurrences it will take care. Okay? So this is how a replace function works in Python.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.